Coffee Break Collection 17, Health and Fitness. This is a Librivox recording. All Librivox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit Librivox.org. Overfeeding or Abstemiousness by Forbes Winslow, 1810 to 1874, from On the Preservation of the Health of Body and Mind, published in 1842. Excerpt. That more diseases arise from overfeeding among the wealthy than from the opposite cause, excessive abstemiousness, there can be no doubt. Fast and fear not, you need no drop or pill. Hunger may starve, excess is sure to kill. It was an observation of Dr. Hunter that most people live above par, and this circumstance rendered the generality of disease and accidents more difficult to cure. A celebrated physician, inquiring of a person who was remarkable for the health which he enjoyed at an advanced period of his life, what regimen he followed, was answered, "I make but one meal a day." "Keep your secret," said the doctor. "If you publish it to the world, you will utterly ruin the practice of medicine." Baron Maceres, who lived to the age of 90 and who never stood in need of medical advice, went one day in every week without dinner, eating only a round of dry toast at tea. Dr. Franklin is said to have lived upon bread and water for a fortnight and got stout and healthy on the diet. Dr. Gower of Chelmsford had a patient who lived for 10 years on a pint of tea daily, now and then chewing half a dozen almonds, but not swallowing them. Dr. Wood was told by a physician that he knew a gentleman who never tasted fish, flesh, or fowl, but who lived upon bread and milk. He was once traveling, and being very hungry, he was induced to eat a small piece of chicken, and the consequence was he immediately fainted away. The younger daughter of Frederick, King of Naples, never could eat animal food. If she did so, violent and long-continued syncope succeeded. The late Duke of Portland broke a blood vessel, and by the advice of Dr. Warren, his physician, he entirely changed his system of diet. He lived for 6 weeks on bread and water. During the whole of his subsequent life, he entirely abstained from wine and malt liquor, and ate very moderately. The monks of Monte Santo never taste animal food. They subsist on vegetables, olives, and cheese. Dr. Hiquot of Paris, who lived to a very advanced age, touched neither meat nor wine for 30 years. It is stated by Hazelquist in his Travels in the Levant that above 1,000 Abyssinians who were destitute of provisions on a journey to Cairo lived for 2 months on gum arabic, and arrived at Cairo without any unusual sickness or mortality. End of Overfeeding or Abstemiousness by Forbes Winslow.